In this video, I'll show you how to make a balloon flower bouquet, step by step. First, inflate 6 long green balloons and tie the ends. These will be your flower stems. Next, inflate 6 small pink balloons and tie them. Attach 1 pink balloon to each green stem. Now take a balloon clip and place it between the pink balloon and the stem. Slide both balloons into the center of the clip to hold them in place. Inflate the rest of the small balloons to about this size and tie them. Add them to the clip, then move them into the smaller holes to lock the flower shape. Inflate a long red balloon. Wrap it around the stems to bundle the bouquet, then tie it. Take another long red balloon and inflate it longer. Twist it into 4 sections to make a bow and attach it to the center. And that's it! Your balloon flower bouquet is finished and ready to display or gift.